one, I will link it in the description or in the cards. But just a quick roundup, it's basically just an idea that I had to basically do a battle between myself and my sister for a hairstyle that we've never done before. So I did the bombest first time, not even first time, the bombest. What did I do again? Knotless braids in her hair. Like, sorry, the bombness took me away. Like, I couldn't even get past the bomb to know what it was. I did the nicest looking knotless box braids in my sister's hair, and here we are revealing what she chose to do to mine, which is Faux Loc.
Can I just add bomb Faux Locs? Okay, guys, continue watching.
So let's get into how we got all of this done, all of the hiccups, and how I tried to help the enemy. We ended up using two different types of hair for this. So we started out with this Janet collection Afro twist braid, which we really liked. The feel of it was good. It gave us a nice texture, but you get like 2 strands of hair in it. So, and the other hair that we ended up using was this Bijou Realistic new Afro twist, which you get like double what's in this in one pack. It's around the same cost, but it gives you a completely different texture. So like if you want a more kinky, super natural, well, I wouldn't go with natural, super kinky dread look, that's how it would look. Janet collection is much smoother and silkier, for lack of a better word, than this Bijou Realistic. Want a natty on my front line, and I will be there whether rain or shine. Remember that song? That song, there was a big tune, you know. Anyways, we are doing Faux Loc on my hair, and we've already done a good amount of my hair at the back, so we're just gonna show you guys now what process she uses to do it. Should I show you the back? Let me show y'all the back.
Model, yeah, it's beautiful. Wow.
Not really.
Wow.
Psych.
Wow. All right, so the first thing I do is I make her natural braid shorter because we are doing a bob length and her hair is much longer than a bob. So guys, just use an elastic band to make it the length you want, much easier. So I use a crochet needle to pull the hair through the root of the braid, and then what I do is I size up the hair to the length of the braid. Right? You don't have to, but that's what I did. And then I wrap the hair around the root a couple times to secure the root. Okay. So you wrap a couple times and you wrap and you wrap and you wrap. Not R-A-P, but W-R-A-P. You know what I mean. So you wrap all the way down, okay? And if the hair that you're wrapping is finished, all you do is, that's what I did, I just separate it and I keep moving, right? So if the length is finished, just separate the hair and continue. And then what I did was I used the other locks to determine the length of the hair I'm wrapping. And once I've done that, all I do is I wrap upwards. Okay, I really need to stop that. So I wrap upwards and then I use nail glue and secure it. Now people tie it, people roll it. Listen, I don't buy that, don't work. Bye. So because the hair is thin, I am using additional hair to make the Faux Locs one consistent braid. And I'm wrapping. So I'm wrapping again until I'm at the end of the braid, and then I'm going to go upwards. It's the same technique, and then I'm going to use the glue to secure the hair. Okay, it is very simple. Very simple. Give it a go. Right? And then when you're at the end, all you do is go upwards. But in this case, I'm just going to use the glue to secure it, and any excess here, you cut it off. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Oh my God. Okay, guys, I hope you got the technique down. It's pretty simple, right? Listen, just write the winner in the comments right now, okay? Just type M. M, say M, you win. M, you won, okay? This technique is, listen, I'm going to tell you what it is, but I think it is crazy. What I was trying to do, I was trying to add texture to the lock, right? I saw some other girl did it. Hers looked beautiful. Mine, girl and boys, it was crazy. It was crazy. But I said I was going to show you just in case you like it, you know. So the idea was to add texture, and then when I'm at the end, I tie it. Okay, I wrap it around my finger, and then I made a knot. I never know knot did hard, so. I never know knot did hard, so. And then the excess here, I use a razor and cut it off. Alright, so I'm going to show you a close-up. So if, again, for some strange reason you like it, go through. Alright, so I'm going to apply the same techniques. I'm just going to let you watch so you can see what's happening. I'm just repeating the same steps. Again, type MU1. Bye, guys.
It looks more messy. It's not as stiff and all of that. So I think it looks a lot better now. Do I think it's great? Maybe for the first time, it's not so bad.
Hater.
You can defend yourself, but you choose not to. So you know why you're not defending yourself, because you know you're wrong. You know you a loser. It's okay. I'm gonna insert a meme. Losers are important.
I'm gonna edit it.
Oh my god.
Remember, we're also responsible to edit our own videos. Tell them.
Yeah, so she's gonna be editing this video. I'm gonna be editing the one where I did her hair. I don't even need no fandangles because my hair speaks for itself. But I had to do a whole beat ass face just to help her out. You see how nice I am? I put family first, even in competitions. Yes, but I think it turned out okay. I feel like the length is kind of awkward. Like I feel like if it was right here, it would be just that much more flattering on me. Outside of that, I feel like if I don't like do a face or make my baby hairs, like the hair doesn't look good by itself. And that's the problem that I have with it. Like I can't just roll out of bed and be like, ooh, a bitch got locks. No, it's not that. No, you gotta work extra hard to make. I will say, I'm sorry, I couldn't hold back. It's okay, Mikal. We gotta tell the people the truth. These locks are so inconsistent, y'all. Like, I'ma show y'all. Or maybe she won't even use the clip, but I'ma show y'all. Like, at the beginning of the lock, it's maybe like this thick, yeah? And then like midway, it gets like this thick. You guys see the difference? There's no space between my fingers. Then it gets fat again, and then it goes back to like a little
So natural.
Who locks look like that? Nobody.
So
Natural man. But that is my only
enough. Let's talk about the
like
enough.
those are the two things: the length and just the inconsistency. I feel like I didn't braid her hair like 5 different sizes in one braid.
You did though. Well, anyway.
Not in one braid. What do you guys think? How do you think she did? Again, it's her first time doing this, but also it was my first time doing them box braids, and they look damn good. Listen, you don't get to talk, so I get to plug myself, okay? Voting. Let me know in the comments who won this versus hair battle. My sister, meaning the hairstyle she did on me, or me, meaning the bomb-ass box braids that I did on her. Alright guys, let me know in the comments who won. I'll even put a poll on Instagram for those of you that follow me on Instagram. If you haven't, like, what are you doing? Like, a girl be posting content over there. Like, a girl be talking to y'all. Like, let's go. So yes, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. We've been working on this goal for 10K for like 10 years. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.